We're going to learn how to add text to videos, everything concerning how to add text to video. So you head to the CapCut app, you click on new project and select the footage you want to edit. You click add, so you go straight to the text. Then you can see the A plus, the add text. You click on it, then you add your text. Let's add good day. Now if you want to customize it, want to change the type of writing, the style of writing, you can use this, use this, any one of your choice, and use it, anyone you prefer. I'm going with this one. You go to style, you can increase it, you can decrease it, you can increase it, you can just resize it anyhow you want it. This like making the video the letter tick, fading in and fading out. Stroke, this you change the color, you change the color of the text also. Let's just go with red. I prefer red. I go to stroke is like the shadow. Add black, can increase the shadow, can decrease the shadow, create shadow. Glow is like additional shadow. I say it, that's it. The background, you want your text to have a background, so now I'll put black background. So understand, background is, want the background color to be strong enough, relieving. If you want it to fade out, you can decrease it, increase it. The shadow, same thing as, you know what I'm talking about. Let's experiment it. The spacing, if you want to space your works, you can resize, space it, the line, on the text will be in the middle, differently, just change them as everything here. So the effect, if you don't want to customize it, you just want to use a random stuff, you can just click on any of these effects, any of this, like any one of your choice. Go termination. You don't want this letter to just be like this, you want it to move like this. If you want to change it to speech, you can.
Good day.